In today's video, we're going to be talking about why it's so important to live in the frequency that you want to attract before you even attract it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so before I do any meditation work, divination work, any spiritual work, I've been really cleansing the air around me lately. So what I've been using right now is my bay leaf and oud spray. I made this myself. If you guys are interested in purchasing, it is on my Etsy shop. You can visit it down below, but this also has clear quartz crystals in it. And what I like to do is spray this into the air to change the vibration and the frequency of the air. Woo, it smells really, really good, you guys. Woo, it smells really good. So I like to change the energy and the vibration of the air around me so that it's ready and prepped for me to do my meditation work, do my readings, do my manifestation work. Anything spiritual that I do or touch, I like to spray this around myself first because it cleanses the air and just gets it ready for what I'm about to create. That comes into the video that we're going to be doing today, which is to live in the frequency that you want to attract. So this is very, very important because if you guys are on my channel, then you know that you probably practice law of attraction, most likely. So law of attraction means like attracts like, means magnetism, means you attract what you think, you attract what you put out there. You attract what you feed, you attract what energy you are most dominantly sending out to the universe. So with that being said, doesn't it make sense that the energy that you want to attract, you want to embody that before you even attract it? Because if like attracts like, then you're a mirror, you're a magnet. So what needs to happen is for you to change yourself within yourself, and magic starts to happen. So you're probably wondering, okay, then why would you use tools like herbs, essential oils, candles, and stuff like that? Because we have been programmed since we were kids to believe in lack, in scarcity, in fears, guilt, obligations, limits, boundaries. There's a lot of pre-programmed shit within us that block us from manifesting just like that, which is our natural state, which is what we are supposed to do, which is something that we are innate in like naturally innate ability within us is to attract and manifest. But it's covered with dust and debris and programming and habits and just a bunch of BS. So what I like to do is, while I am spiritually trying to declutter that and work through the negativity, the negative patterns, the past conditioning, the programming, when I am trying to work through that, but I still want to manifest, then I use tools like herbs, essential oils, mists, sprays, perfumes, candles, crystals. These come in handy because they help you grow. They help you achieve that point within yourself that you don't need them anymore. And that is a huge message I want to put across with my channel. It's very important for you to, if you are doing the work, but you need an extra boost, use the bay leaves, use the oil, use the sprays, use the crystals, program your water, program your perfume. Do anything you need to do until your energy reaches that level of confidence that you can attract and create your life the way you want to, and you release the blocks that were programmed within you. Now, with that being said, this whole entire video is going to be about you living in the frequency that you want to attract, and why this is so important, why this is a spell and ritual just in itself, and how powerful this truly, truly is. You have to start living and embodying that which you want to attract. A lot of us, we want to attract $1 million, right? But we're not ready for that $1 million. If that $1 million comes into our possession, comes into our hands, are we ready for everything that comes with it? The legalities, the bank account statements, what you're gonna spend it on, the taxes, how you're gonna feel when you receive it, what you're gonna buy, who you're gonna help, everything. Like, are you truly prepared for what you want to manifest? If the love of your life, if you're trying to manifest the love of your life and they come into your life, because it's pretty easy to manifest the love of your life, but what's not easy is when the love of your life comes in, you manifested it, it's a happy, good energy, then things start to creep up that you didn't deal with, which is probably trust issues, which is probably insecurities. You think they're gonna cheat, you think they're gonna lie, you think they're going to leave you, you think that this can't be real, it's too good to be true. These are limiting beliefs, these are past conditionings, these are things that have been put inside of our head so that we can't reach our highest vibration, which highest vibration is just achieving everything we want. Achieving our desires is our highest vibration, to me, in my opinion. So it's very, very important that we work through our limiting beliefs, past beliefs, and if we are still going through the process of working through them, then use essential oils, use the tools that we've been given, crystals, candles, incense, sage, whatever it is. But this is all a means to you reaching your highest potential, to you reaching that point in your life where you don't need any of these things anymore. Another thing that you should keep in mind is that everything carries a vibration. Everything carries a frequency and energy. So what energy are you constantly feeling? Are you feeling defeated? Are you feeling hopeful? Are you feeling inspired and motivated? Or are you feeling like you just want to give up? Everything carries an energy. And if you guys are on this channel right now watching this video, then you most likely are practicing law of attraction, which means like attracts like. So your energy is going to attract more of that energy. What energy are you feeding? What energy are you putting out there? Is it positive or is it negative? Is it attracting or is it repelling? Now, something that I really wanted to talk about in this video is how important it is to tap into the frequency of what you want to attract. So if you guys want to attract money, how much money do you want to attract? And make it believable. Don't say $10 million, but you really don't actually believe that you're going to attract that $10 million. You have to be very honest with yourself, and you have to come face to face with your limiting beliefs and the blocks that you have within yourself. So what is your utmost limit of what you believe you can achieve? Start there, because you will increase it, okay? So tap into the frequency of what you want to attract. How will you feel? How will you dress? What will your body posture be like? How will you speak? What will you wear? Get into the details. Get into the absolute specific details and embody that. Embody those details as much as you can. Say, for example, you want to attract a car. You want to make room in your garage. You want to go buy the air freshener that you're going to put in your new car. You want to start preparing yourself and sending signals out into the universe that your car is coming. So live in the frequency of what you want to attract. If you guys want to attract love, make space in your closet. Make space on one side of your bed. Start to sleep on one corner of the bed so that the love of your life can sleep on the other corner of your bed. Buy a picture frame that is supposed to have the picture of you and your love. Like, do whatever you need to do to get into that frequency. Frequency is an investment. Tapping into vibration, energy, frequency, it's an investment that you do. So don't be afraid to do it. I get a lot of questions about manifesting a house, which I have a video coming soon on how I manifested my house. It is very personal. It's so intimate and so private, but I do want to share it with you guys and tell you guys how I manifested this house and how in my family I went further than a lot of other members of my family, and I never thought I would, and I never imagine myself being in the position that I am today, doing something that nobody in my family has ever done, just by merely just following my heart. That's a video that's coming soon, and if you guys want to see that video and want to hear that story, leave me a comment down below so I'm more motivated and inspired to tell you guys that story, because it is really personal and it's really hard to put personal stuff out there. Another thing you want to do is match your vibration as much as you possibly can with the vibration of what you want to attract. So say I wanted to attract Rosa black wine, right? This is something, I don't know why it popped into my head. I think I was journaling last night and I was looking through my journal, and this is something I actually did manifest. And I actually had my boyfriend peel the label off of the wine bottle and I put it in my journal and I wrote about it. It's something that I was trying to manifest for 1 year with Stella Rosa black wine. And this is something I like to do, is see how long it takes me to manifest a certain thing and then go back into that year and see, okay, what was my blocks? Like, what was it that prevented me from manifesting this, which was Stella Rosa black wine, which is something very, very small and like insignificant. But if I can pinpoint the things that are blocking me from achieving something so small, I feel like that is a learning curve. It's growing, it's wisdom, it's knowledge for me and myself and my life and how I can navigate it. So I was really, really inspired to share with you guys this video. It's just basically, the whole message is, as much as you possibly can, tap into the frequency of the things that you want to attract. So like, even if you want to attract a freaking bottle of wine like I did, imagine yourself with that bottle of wine, how it's gonna taste, how you're gonna smell it, what your nails are gonna be painted like if you paint your nails. What wine glass are you going to use? For me specifically, I actually pictured a very specific wine glass I was going to use. It was one of my goblets that my boyfriend got me for my birthday. And I just pictured myself pouring my Stella Rosa black in there and drinking it, and then describing how I feel in my journal, which is exactly like to the T what I actually did. So visualization, imagination, the things you picture up here are very, very important, very, very powerful. They are actual literal images that can manifest into your life. So be careful what you are showing yourself here. So yeah, I hope this video helped. It was kind of a little bit of rambling, but I wanted to get this message out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.